Hey guys, I'm a little bit under the weather here, but I'm gonna proceed on with giving you guys a build progress update of this week. So, the week of April 14th. So, this past week was massive for us. We got so much done. We caught up on our schedule. Remember, in the last build progress update, we had some contractor issues. We ended up, getting a new contractor for that trade, and it made the world of difference, right? Remember when I said a contractor that's dragging their feet can be much more headaches than just letting them go and finding someone new that can get the job done. So that's what we did, and man, it pushed this project up so much this week. So I'll just recap. This week, we on Monday we got the footers and the blocking done. On Tuesday we had the footers blocking inspection. On Wednesday, we had the underground plumbing completed, and the lumber was delivered Wednesday, and my framer started framing walls. So it was busy over there. Thursday, we had the underground plumbing inspection passed. Friday, yesterday, we had the floor sand prepped, the under the slab prepped, and the inspection done in the middle of the day, and we had the slab poured by the end of the day. So we went from a pile of dirt in the beginning of the week to ready to start framing at the end of the week. That's how fast these things can go if you manage the project right and take care of the contractors that are showing up. So back on schedule. I'm super excited about it. This upcoming week is going to be all about framing. We're framing these bad boys, and they're going to go up quick. So we'll have today, our framers are over there today. They're going to frame up one of the houses. There's going to be all four walls up, the four exterior walls on one of the houses. By the end of the week, both of these houses will be framed up, interior, exterior walls, and we may have roofing on as well as the windows installed. So we're rocking, we're rolling on this project, and I'm excited about it. If you enjoy step-by-step new construction, follow X Home Builds. Until next time.